What's up, YouTube? KidMoto22 here, Ryan, whatever you want to call me, I guess. I guess I'm back. I have been out, I haven't made content in quite a while, and this video is going to be kind of about why I didn't make any content for a while, and me coming back and getting back in the content creation space, and kind of what that means and where we go from here. So let's get to the video. Alright guys, if you saw in the intro, I'm Ryan, KidMoto22 on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm back making content, I guess. Really, I took some time off from my own YouTube channel, but I really didn't take any time off from content creation. If you guys know anything about me and my content, my journey through all of those things, you'll know that I've been around. I've been posting on Instagram, and I am a OG member of the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast. So that being said, I've been putting out content this entire time, every week on the 5 Dirty Bikers content. I've been around. I've been at motorcycle events all over the country this last year, doing my normal travels and everything that I normally do. I just kind of took a break from YouTube for a while. You know, like a lot of creators, maybe I hit a little bit of a creative block, if you will. I got maybe caught up in a little bit of chasing the numbers and putting out content that I thought would get views or whatever you want to call it. And I just needed to take a break. I was, you know, stopped making content maybe that I wanted to make. Maybe I lost my focus, lost my direction. Anyway, I needed a break. And I took a break for a long time. I was off, I don't know, maybe it's been about a year, probably even a little bit longer since I've put out any content. And I needed that break. I needed to just get back to riding motorcycle, enjoying everything, and living in the moment as much as I could, and not thinking about just creating content every time I went out. So yeah, I'm back creating content. I've got some kind of really cool things coming up this year for that content creation space. I'm going to be doing continuing with the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast, as you would all expect. I'll be making my own content. I'll be back to making some interesting videos on my motorcycle, you know, installs, that kind of stuff. I have some big things coming, some exciting things coming with my 2017 Road King Special. And I'm not going to tell you what those things are right now. But I just know that I will be putting out some install videos and some things like that again, just like I have done in the past. Like I said, I have some exciting things coming up. I've got a lot of things coming down the pipe with travels this summer and that kind of stuff. I won't be doing any traditional moto vlogging. I may do some on the bike camera with some voiceover stuff, but I have come to just appreciate not having a camera on my helmet. And I'm sorry about that, guys, but I think for me, my motovlogging days are over. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to be bringing you any content or trip, you know, stuff from the road, that kind of stuff. I still might do that. I haven't really quite kind of decided. I just know that for me, my content's going to be the stuff that I want to put out. Again, not chasing numbers, not going after that kind of stuff, just really kind of bringing you back to what I do with motorcycling and why I love it. And my content will obviously be, you know, kind of focused on that kind of stuff. If you know anything about me and my channel and where I live, it's February and it's winter outside. So I won't be bringing you any ride content or trip content or anything like that right now. Hopefully my next few videos are going to be more related to, you know, conversations like this, and probably just getting out there and doing some installs on my bike and that kind of stuff, just to get reacclimated with the space and what I was doing prior to kind of taking a break. I know prior to me taking a break, most of my stuff had moved into the talking head stuff just like this, and so that's part of the reason why I came back like this, is because that's kind of how everybody was used to me making that content. And I thought it would be, you know, the easiest way to kind of jump back into it would be to do something that I was super familiar with, really easy, you know, kind of, like I said, talking head kind of stuff, and get back into that space. So, you know, like I said, that's my intention of coming back in. I hate to do the I'm back video, right? Because I never really left. I kind of just stopped putting out content on my own channel. If you follow or do anything, I did throw up a couple of shorts just because that's kind of what people were doing, and I'll probably be doing some of that stuff too. I'm gonna have fun with it again. I'm just gonna experiment, and I added a drone to what I had last year, and I never really did any drone content, so I might try some of that. You might see some content with my friends. I've got a really good idea for a video series called Why I Ride, where I might be doing more like an interview style situation where I might just talk to some other people and find out why they ride. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas kind of brimming, and some things that creatively I think will be a lot of fun for me to try to do some different content like that and bring that information and that stuff to you guys. That's what I'm really kind of hoping to do and get back into that space. So that being said, I guess that's probably all I have for you guys tonight, or today, or whatever time of the day you're watching the video. So yeah, that's about it. So hopefully if you guys like what I'm doing, you'll think about hitting that subscribe button, give me the thumbs up. That always helps, kind of drive the algorithm, that kind of stuff. Tell your friends, whatever you want to do. I'm going to be back making content, and I'm pretty excited. So I hope to see you guys out there. I know for sure, I'll say this on this video right now, I know for sure that I'm going to be at Sturgis 2024. So, if you see me out there, don't be afraid to stop and say hi. With that being said, I think I'm out for tonight. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you out there on the road.